everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'm thrilled to introduce you to my newest listing, 33 McDonald Street in beautiful Forest, Ontario. So let's get into my top 5 favorite things. And coming in at number 1 is this fabulous exterior finish including James Hardie board and high-end steel roof. And coming in at number 2 is this nearly half-acre lot featuring lots of outdoor space, a brand new 16 by 24 detached garage, and a ton of seating area. You'll just love spending time back here. And coming in at number 3 is this convenient open concept design featuring a brand new kitchen, cozy gas fireplace, and a dining room large enough for your family dinners. And coming in at number 4 is this super handy 16 by 24 home gym featuring a rubber floor and steel walls. And highlight number 5, coming in last but not least, is this awesome basement rec room with a bar, a full bathroom, and another gas fireplace. You'll just love spending winter nights down here.